Hi, I'm Hannah from Saltire Software, here to give you some tips on using math illustrations. I'm going to start off with a simple example. You guessed it, it's triangles. We're going to look in the drawing toolbox here in the corner, and there are lots of things we can do. We'll start off with line segments. I could also make a triangle with a polygon, but let's start off with a line segment. Simply sketch my diagram. Now it has no constraints on it, no measurements, so I can adjust it to however I like. As I put constraints on it, the triangle will change to whatever measurements I put in. Here's the constraint toolbox. Once I select the side, I can put in the constraints that are lit up, and in this case I'm going to use the distance length constraint, and do the same thing with the next side. And you can see that the triangle changes when I put the constraint in to match whatever number I put in. Now I just have one more constraint to go here in my example, and I'm going to hold the shift key down while I press two sides of the triangle, and that gives me a different set of constraints, one for an angle between the two sides that I selected, but I'm going to use the perpendicular constraint, and you can see that the triangle again changes because of the perpendicular constraint. Now there's one more thing that I want to do, and I want to put a label on this side. It's actually just a label. Since the triangle is fully constrained and rigid, it won't change shape unless I change one of the dimensions. I could do that by double clicking it and put, but nonetheless I want to put a label on this side. In order to do that, I can't use a constraint because Math Illustrations won't know which constraints are the ones that apply since this is fully constrained. I want to use an annotation. And here I'm going to put my annotation. And now I'm ready to simply copy my region to paste it into my Word document. So now I've copied the region. I simply go over to my Word document, place the cursor where I want the document to be, and Control V. There's my document, there's my drawing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy Math Illustrations.